Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make butterfly, and what you need basically is two shapes, one circle and one square. This square is 5 inches by 5 inches, while the circle is 6 inches wide on both sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to identify the middle of the circle. We're going to put it in the edge of the square like that on the middle of the circle. Just hold it right down there. I'm going to use a pin to secure it, and after securing it, I'm going to go ahead to sew it together. So I'll go ahead right now and use the needle and thread to do running stitches from the middle of the circle like that down to the top. It also go through the middle of the square down to the top. Please make sure that you do it in middle, because if you don't do it in middle, one side will be bigger than one. If you look at this my butterfly very well, you discover that one side of the round side is bigger. Are you saying it? Are you saying it? Yeah. I decided that I will not even do, like, I did it again, but I just wanted to see the imperfect one so that you know that what it can look like if you don't make it perfect. Well, there's no big deal. If you make a mistake, just remove it and do it again like I did. Moving forward, so I'll just tie it in round like that. Use the thread to just tie it around it that way, and I'll just turn it around, put the needle into the thread like that, and just drag it. That's pretty much it. Please don't cut the thread just yet, because we have a lot of things to do with that thread. I'll pick a strip. You can pick any strip or any color, whatever it is that you like. So I picked that one right there, and I'll just hold it that way. Arrange the butterfly however you want. Almost the same way we do bow is what we're going to be doing. But this time around, I'm going to be using that same needle to just sew it together. I'll just turn the back right there, and then I'll use needle and thread to sew it. Let me just cut off the excess there. Be careful not to cut off the thread. So I'll just go there and use a needle and thread to just sew it together, and I'll be attaching it together with the butterfly so that it doesn't just stand alone on its own. This attachment I'm talking about has to happen at the back, not in front, because you don't want it to be showing in front. So I've finished tying it right now. I'm going to go ahead and apply an embellishment of my choice. In this case, I'm using a particular, I think, pearl and a bead that they call rice bead. So however you want to do it, and whichever bead you choose or feel like using is up to you. So what I just did right there was just do one of each. So this is how it will eventually look like by the time you put it on it. So this is what it looks like. So you can try to make it straight to have that actual butterfly standing effect. But I wanted to just attach it directly because I wanted to use on the fabric. But if you want to do it like this, you can use maybe a wire or something so it stands. But I discovered that it wasn't too much, so I just adjusted it and attached it. Let me show you what it looked like when I did. I think I ended up doing like 3 rows. So what I basically did here was 2 pearls and one rice bead. So I did that for the first row. So I kind of liked it. So I decided to make it 3 rows at the end of the day. So I did the second one and the third one as well. So this is what it looked like when everything came together. Just while I was trying to attach it in a more relaxed form of camera, this young woman decided to put the camera on me to show all of you that I can look like a homeless person sometimes. Homeless. Typically on a bidding day, this is what I look like a very serious person, but I'm not really that serious in real life, but sometimes you need to show people that you're serious so that they can take you seriously. Anyways, this is what it looks like by the time I finished it. So that's the back, and this is the front. I'm going to be putting it on a particular dress. I have a new experimental dress, by the way, and this is it. So this is what it looks like. I just place it right there on top of it. You can place it however you feel like. This was supposed to be an experimental project, so I put it right there, and you can put it anywhere else you want. But this thing will be very nice on a kid's ball gown, actually, or as a hairband. I think I eventually made a hairband. And this is what the hairband eventually looks like right here. So I think it's more suitable for a child. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.